Welcome to your guide on how to operate the ST3 4-seater.
Let's begin with powering on the ST3 4-seater.
First, use the remote control by pressing the middle button or the power button twice to activate it remotely.
And click the unlock button to turn it off.
Insert the key into the ignition and turn it clockwise to start the bike. Remember, use the key for manual on and off functions and turn on the remote for convenient remote operations.
The anti-theft feature. Your ST3 4-seater is equipped with a robust anti-theft system for added security. To activate the alarm, simply press the lock button on your remote control. And if anyone attempts to tamper or move the bike, the alarm will sound loudly. And the engine will automatically lock, preventing the unauthorized use. To deactivate the alarm and unlock the engine, press the unlock button on your remote control. Moving on to understanding your e-bike. The dashboard provides information such as current speed, turn signal status, light indicators, and battery level. Keep an eye on the battery level to ensure optimal performance. Charge it promptly and allow it to cool down after extended use. As for braking, use both the left and right brake levers at the same time for balanced and effective braking power. The ST3 4-seater is designed for single driver with 2 passengers, and the back can also accommodate 2 passengers or belongings, such as groceries and other supplies.
Now, let's talk about lights and signals. Activate the front lights for enhanced visibility, especially in low light conditions or at night. Use the turn signals to indicate your intentions while making turns or changing lanes. Additionally, use the horn when necessary to alert others of your presence and ensure safety on the road.
Proceeding to gear and driving mode. The ST3 4-seater offers different driving modes to suit various terrains and conditions. Use Drive D for forward movement and Reverse R for backing up. Select Gear 1 for flat surfaces to conserve battery power and maintain a comfortable cruising speed. Choose for Gears 2 or 3 when taking uphill terrains to ensure enough power and stability. Adjusting gears according to terrain not only enhances performance but also extends battery life for longer rides.
And of course, key to last is charging your e-bike.
When it's time to recharge, locate the charging port on the ST3 4-seater.
Select the charger that matches the bike's specifications, ideally a 60-volt charger with 20 amperes. Plug the charger into a standard 220 volts outlet, and while charging, the indicator light on the charger will be red. Once fully charged, it will turn green, indicating that the battery is ready for use. Congratulations! You are now familiar with how to operate your ST3
4-seater
confidently and safely.
Remember this tip to enjoy a smooth and enjoyable riding experience while staying safe on the road. Jisu e-bike, your professional choice.
Phantom.